Namaste everyone. In this video, I'm going to talk about 5 practices which can boost your brain power. What are these 5 practices? As we say, our brain is divided in two parts, left and right. So when we use our right hand, our left side of the brain is activated, and when you use your left hand, your right part of the brain is activated. So it goes like this. Same way we have a two nostrils. So when we do right nostril breathing, our left brain is activated, and when we do left nostril breathing, our right brain is activated. So in this video, I'm going to give you this beautiful breathing, or we call it pranayama, alternate nostril breathing, which you can do on daily basis 5 to 10 minutes to take care of your brain health. So how to do this pranayama? So in this pranayama, you take your two fingers which you are going to keep at the center of your forehead. We call it Agya Chakra or third eye chakra. So you're going to keep two fingers here, and you're going to close your right nostril with the help of the thumb, and you're going to start with your left nostril. So slowly you will fill the air with the help of left nostril in the count of 4 or 4 seconds. Then you hold both the nostril for 2 seconds. Then you exhale from your right nostril for 8 seconds. So you can add humming bee breath if you are not able to exhale for 8 seconds. So you either exhale slowly, normally, or you can do humming bee breath for more effectiveness of this pranayama. Now inhale through the right, same 4 counts or 4 seconds, then hold for 2 seconds. Exhale from your left for 8 seconds. And now you will do from the left 4 counts. You will inhale, hold, and exhale from your right. Now you will inhale through your right 4 counts, hold 2 counts, and exhale from your left for 8 counts. So like this you need to do this pranayama. So this was the first practice. You can do 10 minutes every day. And the second practice, where you just close your fingers like this, you make a fist, tight fist, and open it, tight fist and open it. By keeping your breathing normal, you can do this 50 times, 50 times every day. You don't do this way, but tight and open, tight and stretch your fingers, tight and stretch your fingers. So this way you will do 50 times in order to have a good memory and boosting your brain capacity. So this was the second practice. And third practice, where you form a Hakini Mudra like this by joining all tips of your fingers, as every tip of your finger having a brain point. So you're joining it, keeping at the heart center, and you're doing some deep breathing where you inhale. Again, you can have a count, 4 counts you inhale, hold for 4 counts, and exhale for 8 counts, slowly. You can even put the timer where you inhale for 4 seconds, hold for 4 seconds, and exhale for 8 seconds. This way, try to practice at least minimum 10 rounds of this breathing. And fourth practice, where you need to massage your ear lobe. So the lower part of the ear, which represent your ears, you need to pull this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Like this you do 5 rounds. Again 10 times you will pull, then hold. Again 10 times you will pull, then hold. Again 10 times you will pull and hold. Again 10 times you will pull and hold. Like this you do this practice. So this was your fourth practice. Now fifth practice is just very simple, which is rubbing the palms. As we say, when we join our palm, we are joining our right and left brain. They are coming equally together. So you need to rub your palms. This practice can be done early morning as well, as soon as you wake up. So rub your palms for a minute. Once they become very, very warm, after rubbing for a minute, this practice also activates all the acupressure points in your hands and energizes your hands, which energizes your entire body. So after rubbing your palms, you keep these palms on your face, energize your face, your eyes, and with the beautiful smile, you release your hands down. So these are the 5 practices you can do on daily basis to have a sharp memory and boosting your brain power. So try these therapies and let me know in the comment box if you're looking for any other video or any other topic. And if you're looking for any course, then do find the details in the description below. Thank you everyone.